Hello YouTubers, I got a 1983 PW80, even though it's got 84 stickers on it. I swapped it for one of my YZ50s that I had two of. It's part of my collection of 83 models. So I've got the PW80, YZ50, YZ80 and YZ125, so I'll keep going. So I've given it a bit of a clean up since I got it. Carby clean. The front rim has a stab 183, and that one's something like 82. I don't know if you can see, but the serial number is 21W019599, which is a 83 model. All the 21W stamps on it. The plastics are still original. Someone's painted the rear swing arm black. I just want to get this back to looking like original. The fuel tank had a good clean out. The oil pump's been disconnected. I'm just going to run premix and see how it goes. It needed a bit of work and a clean out. Just wanted to start it up and see how it is. So just hang on a minute, put the phone down and see how it goes. Pretty compression. Can't believe how easy that started, and it's still heaps quiet for a, I guess, 40-year-old bike. Blowing smoke, which is good. And very quiet. Put the phone down and take it for a ride around the backyard, see how it goes. Just turn the fuel off, drain it all out. So I want to get a top end kit for it, like a big bore. Pull the engine out, just probably give it a clean up. The oil pump needs fixing. Give it all a paint, clean all the plastics up, new sticker kits. Probably get a brand new exhaust for it. That one's getting a bit old. Plastics will clean up alright. Some new spokes, should come up alright. Just get a bit more fuel out. Love the sound of these little PW80s. I guess a lot of kids would have learned to ride on that bike. Thanks for watching again. Hope you like to follow the restoration of it, so subscribe. Thanks again.